So let's talk about type of conjugation. So we studied different type of conjugation. First of all, we studied the conjugation in where the resonance could happen. So we have seen a lot of conjugation structure where the resonance could happen. Now for resonance we are studying type of conjugation where resonance is happening. So first we have to check whether there is a conjugation. Then if there is a conjugation, then we will study type of conjugation. So there are three types of conjugation. One is normal conjugation. Second is extended conjugation. And third is cross conjugation. So there are three types of conjugation: normal conjugation, extended conjugation, and cross conjugation. Normal conjugation, like we see the example. Okay, this double bond is conjugation with this charge, and this negative charge is in conjugation with this. This is a normal conjugation. Very normal conjugation we have seen initially. Okay, these were the normal conjugation. All these normal conjugation we have written already. Now if we talk about extended conjugation, if we talk about, this is a conjugation. Now this is extended. Here it is extending. So this is the extended conjugation. Again one more. This was the normal conjugation. Okay, this was the normal conjugation, and here it is extended. So it is extended conjugation. If we see one more example, if you add some more conjugation to normal conjugation, then it is known as extended conjugation. Now if we talk about cross conjugation, in the cross conjugation you have two different extended conjugation, two different conjugations. Okay, like CH2 minus. Here if you see, this is one conjugation where a negative charge is in conjugation with this bond, and this is another conjugation. If you look very clearly, this is one conjugation and this is one conjugation. So if we see, if we have A, if we have B, if we have C, so A is also conjugation with B, C is also in conjugation with B. If we take another example, suppose like if we take the example, it is cross conjugation and extended conjugation. Cross conjugation means this is conjugation with this side and this is conjugation with this side, but they both are not with conjugation with each other. A and C are not in conjugation with each other. Here also this is extended conjugation. This was normal conjugation, and you have added one more conjugating structure here. So it is extended conjugation. Now if we talk about the conjugation, these were the conjugation: extended conjugation and cross conjugation. So now we, if you want to compare the bond length, if you have given a bond length comparison, Okay, so if we have given two bonds A and B, so it is asking which is more bond, the bond length is which is the more having the long bond. Okay, so we know this nitrogen isn't going with conjugation with C because this is a conjugating structure, so it has partial double bond character. This bond has partial double bond character. So when there is a partial double bond character, the bond length reduces. So if we compare the bond length, A is greater than B. Now if we check one more bond length, if we see this structure, this is also going in the conjugation. Okay, this is a cross conjugation. Now if we compare the bond length with normal conjugation, okay, this is cross conjugation and this is normal conjugation. We know that in normal conjugation there is a good resonance and it is undivided resonance. What does it mean? Okay, here if we see this resonance, the resonance of this bond is divided 50% times here and 50% times here. But here it is, if we see this bond, okay, it is 100% involved here. So here resonance is good, here resonance is 50% divided. So it is the, if you see it is 50% divided and it is 100%. So it is, now if you see it is 100% conjugation, it is 50% conjugation. Now, so more the resonance, less will be the bond length. So more resonance, less bond length. More resonance means here the double bond character is less, here the double bond character is more. So double bond character is more, so where in the bond length, here double bond character is less, double bond character is less, here double bond character is more, here double bond character is less, here double bond character is less, here double bond character is more. So where double bond character is less, so here more will the bond length. So that's why we will compare where the bond length is more. Okay. Now if now further if we see how to draw a resonating structure. Now we are discussing resonating structures. So resonating structure. Now there are some rules. Again, we already talked about. If we start moving the electron in clockwise direction, so it will keep on moving in clockwise direction. If we move in anti-clockwise direction, it will keep on moving in anti-clockwise direction. So it is the, suppose there is a negative charge and it is start moving in the clockwise direction, then this negative charge will come here, then this type of bond will be there. Now if we see further, if we move this bond in that direction, now if we move this in that direction, now if we move this in that direction, there is a negative charge and then this type of bond is there. Okay, now if we further move this electron, we will get the same structure. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resonating structures there. 5 resonating structure. If we want to draw the hybrid, now that's how we will draw the hybrid. All there are partial negative charge, delta negative, delta negative, delta negative, delta negative, delta negative. Now this is resonance hybrid. This is resonance hybrid. So while we draw the resonating structure, first we have to decide in which direction we are keeping moving the electrons. Here we have started keeping moving the electron in clockwise direction. So how many resonating structures are there? 5 resonating structures are there, and all the position where the charges are there, we will use delta minus. So again we can use 5 delta minus. 5 delta minus, what is the charge of quantity? 1. So that's how we can calculate the charge also.